Thank you for purchasing Togu Airgo Active Seat Cushion. Here, we will provide you with instructions to guide you through your first setup. The box contains a pump and a guarantee card. The cushion is air-filled and ready to be used. If it is damaged or leaks air, please contact your dealer. The purpose of the Airgo seat is mainly to reduce pain related to prolonged sitting and to train your back muscles. Airgo seat is anatomically designed and is suitable for travel, whether by car or airplane. Place the attached side to the back end of the car seat and enjoy a pleasant ride. You do not need to pump it when used in the car. This unique seat can be used on wheelchairs and beneficial for certain cases such as pregnancy, hemorrhoids, or prostatitis. You might need to pump the seat to your comfort level. Just be careful you don't damage or overpump it. Use minimal pumps, starting with 1 to 2 pumps only. Enjoy active sitting.